1. Centralized data storage. NAS allows all data to be stored in one centralized location, making it easier for multiple users and devices to access, manage, and backup files without duplication. White heavy checkmark 2. Easy file sharing. NAS systems are built for collaboration. Multiple users on a network can access and share files simultaneously, improving workflow and team productivity. White heavy checkmark 3. Data protection and backup. Many NAS devices support automated backup, RAID configurations, and snapshot features. This ensures data redundancy and recovery options in case of hardware failure or accidental deletion. White heavy checkmark 4. Scalable storage. NAS systems can be expanded easily by adding more drives or upgrading capacity, allowing businesses and individuals to grow their storage as needed without replacing the whole system. White heavy checkmark 5. Remote access. Modern NAS systems offer secure remote access features, allowing users to access files from anywhere using a web browser, mobile app, or FTP, essential for remote work and business continuity. White heavy checkmark 6. Cost-effective. Compared to traditional server setups, NAS is relatively affordable and requires less maintenance, making it ideal for small businesses, startups, and home users. White heavy checkmark 7. Energy efficient. NAS devices consume less power than standard servers, making them more environmentally friendly and cost-saving in the long run. White heavy checkmark 8. Versatile functionality. Many NAS devices come with built-in applications like media streaming, email servers, web hosting, and surveillance storage, beyond just file storage. White heavy checkmark 9. Enhanced security. NAS systems often include user access controls, encryption, firewall settings, and antivirus integration to ensure data is safe and only accessible by authorized users. White heavy checkmark 10. Simplified management. With user-friendly web interfaces, most NAS devices can be configured and monitored without requiring deep IT knowledge, reducing the need for dedicated staff.